Hello guys, today project is Mystic Poker project. This project completely built on Binance Smart Chain with lower supply and transaction fee. Mystic Poker blockchain transaction is very fast. Mystic Poker total supply is 1 billion Mystic token. Mystic Poker is 100% community driven blockchain. Mystic Poker is a poker room built on blockchain technology that will offer fantastic value for poker players and casual purchasers. Poker player will benefit from games offered at extremely competitive rates with huge value added bonuses and promotions to drive traffic and an innovative NFT poker concept that will bring the poker industry to another level. Mystic Poker is a decentralized open source anonymous peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that cuts out the middleman while keeping all the features as a users would accept from a cryptocurrency. Mystic Poker is a privacy focused cryptocurrency and offering minimal transaction fee and lengths. It is a decentralized open cryptocurrency focused on instant private transaction with near zero transaction fees. Mystic Poker tokenomics total supply is 1 billion Mystic token, and here is total supply distribution. For rewards wallet 9%, for investor wallet 7%, for dev wallet 4%, for marketing wallet 3%, for team wallet 1%, and for liquidity 38%, and finally for pre-sale 38%. You can also check total supply distribution in this chart. 38% for pre-sale, 38% for liquidity, 9% for wallet rewards, 7% for investor wallet, 4% for dev wallet, and 3% for marketing wallet, and 1% for team wallet. Mystic dividend redistribution. Mystic Poker have imposed 7% transaction fee on every buy and selling transaction. 4% is used to purchase BNB, which is automatically paid in dividend to holders in the form of BNB, and 2% will go to marketing, and 1% for allocated to the liquidity pool, and 4% BNB rewards automatically added to the all holders wallet within 48 hours. But you must remember, you will be able to earn passive income rewards until you will have to buy minimum 2 lakh Mystic token. Mystic Poker NFTs system. Mystic will be the first to create a card deck of NFTs and add 52 NFTs together will bring true interest in the game. Mystic NFTs specification. The NFTs owner will have lower fees. The NFTs can be sold or rent in the Mystic Poker platform and start unique tournament for NFTs owners. And must remember, pre-sale start on 15 December. And features of Mystic Poker blockchain: transparency and independence. Mystic Poker is transparency and independence blockchain technology controlled by the investors. Private. Mystic Poker is your very own private and secure digital currency. Fair distribution of winning. The winning are distributed by the blockchain and fully integrated platform. Mystic Poker architecture allow to implement game on smart contract and add a payment system instant. Mystic Poker network is faster and near zero cost of transaction fee, and you can send cryptocurrency to anyone fast and instant. Fair changes to each player. The game is based on totally random combination received from the blockchain. These are secure and can't be manipulated. Mystic Poker Team. Mystic Poker emerged an active, dynamic and accessible team focused on creating a link between the world of poker and the world of crypto. Twitter account of Mystic Poker. We can join Mystic Poker Twitter account for latest update, and we can also check giveaways alert. We can participate on giveaways. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. Thanks for watching.